Welcome to Cooking of Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay a lot for little when you spend a little and make a lot? Today we're going to make Copycat Chick-fil-A mac and cheese. To a pot, we're going to add 2 quarts of water. Remember, when you're cooking noodles, always salt the water. Now we're going to bring the water to a boil, and once it starts to boil, we'll add our noodles. And we'll cook the noodles for 20 minutes. We want them completely soft. We don't want them mush, but we want them soft. We don't want them al dente. Now with the water boiling, we're going to add our 8 ounces of elbow noodles. And we're going to cook for 20 minutes. Now to a saucepan over medium heat, we're going to add 1 cup of milk. 5 slices of American cheese we're going to tear. A half teaspoon of salt. And 1 tablespoon of butter. Now we're going to stir this until the cheese has melted. Now that cheese is melted, we're going to add 3.5 ounces of shredded sharp cheddar. We're going to add in 1 ounce of shredded white cheddar. We're going to add in 4 tablespoons of shredded Parmesan. Well, grated Parmesan. And 1 tablespoon of grated Romano. We're going to cook this until it's nice and smooth. Now that cheese is melted and it's nice and smooth, we're going to cut off the heat. We're going to let this rest and sit for 10 minutes. And now we're going to take 3 ounces of shredded white cheddar and 3 ounces of shredded sharp cheddar. We're going to mix and combine them. I don't think my sharp cheddar or my white cheddar is going to combine very well, because I shredded it myself in the food processor. And that seems to make it sticky. So I'm going to do the best as I can to combine them. Now it's been 10 minutes. We're going to add our cheese sauce to our macaroni. Now we're going to sit here and let it cool down some more. We're going to stir it every so often. What we want is, we don't want the cheese to just fall completely under the noodles. So now that we let it cool down, the cheese ain't going right to the bottom. We're going to take an 8x8 dish and put our macaroni in there. Right, now we're going to take our cheese topping, and we're going to sprinkle that all over the top. Now with the broiler set to high, we're going to broil this for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the cheese has turned to a nice light brown color. Now after it's broiled, there ain't nothing left to do but to eat. Now let's dig in. Bon appetit. I'm gonna say, it's macaroni and cheese. And it's pretty darn good. So good I got some in my beard. Well, that's cheese from earlier. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.